Hello everyone, Nasser here from Financial Markets Club. Time to recap crude oil and what a hell of a fall we've had on crude oil. Incredible. We've had crude oil hanging around this 100-ish level for a while, and then we've got the big tumble. In my last analysis, I was talking about how the crude oil is very likely to come down to around 75, and just a few short days ago, we've reached what, I don't know, 75.5 or something, just shy of 75. That's incredible. Those of you who have followed my analysis and been trading short on this, congratulations to you.
So if you traded based on my previous analysis, let me know how it went for you in the comments below. It'd be really nice to know how my analysis is helping people out with the trading, and it's just motivation for me. So share your results and let's see how it's going. If you haven't been making any profits on this, where the analysis has been pretty accurate, then there must be something wrong with the trading strategy. Feel free to reach out to me. Let's see if I can help you identify the issues with the trading strategy and help you become profitable. It's been quite a while I've been doing these analysis, and I've been recording and documenting everything actually. So I'm just going to quickly head over to my website and show you a quick snapshot of my progress. As you can see, to date, my sort of success rate on getting my analysis right is about 68%. And on the right, I've got some statistics where I show the sort of gains and losses that have been taken over this time period. Naturally, I can't be 100% correct, otherwise I'd be holding a crystal ball. I'd know exactly what's happening on the markets in the future. With respect, anybody who claims they've got an accuracy rate of about 90% or above, I think is outrageous, to be honest. Here we are on the right side. You can see that I do take some losses, but the profits that are taken are substantially higher. In fact, my profits that are taken are 10 times more than the losses that are taken. So overall, that helps any traders to stay on the profitable side. So I'm hoping that you're following my analysis and making the most out of this. If you haven't joined my VIP service yet, then just pop over to my website and join today and enjoy the benefits of my analysis.
So where do we go from here? I mean, crude oil coming down to 75 during these turbulent times just seems quite incredible. I think any decent oil trader would be thinking about how this is way too cheap relative to the circumstances, if I may say. I'm looking for crude oil to push back up, but I need to sort of see a bit more. I can't just say that it's going to bounce off literally right here. I think there's going to be a little bit more retesting around here. I would imagine crude oil sort of pushing a bit lower than 75, something between 70 and 75. And that probably would be our last sort of push, after which I would imagine crude oil will be poised for a hell of a rally. And I think this will cause a lot of damage in the world economies. I'm looking at crude oil heading back to these highs around 120, 130, 140, possibly more. It's a very long shot, so I don't want to say too much, but once we see crude oil sort of level off somewhere around the 70-ish zone, I'd be in a better position to sort of work out where it might be going. I think the future is quite bleak, guys. I think we're going to see crude oil heading up quite a lot, and it's going to cause a lot of difficulty and turbulence around the world. We're also talking about potential recession as well, which is kind of contradicts the idea of crude oil going back up. I mean, I don't know what's going to cause crude oil to head back up, but I've seen this stuff before. I've seen this kind of behavior in oil price action. And my judgment was telling me there's a very high probability it's going to head back up. So anyhow, for now, I think we're going to see oil sort of hover around the 70, 75-ish level for a short while before giving us some direction, and thereon we could look for some buy positions.
Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.